Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center. Today we have a Galaxy A31 that needs a new display. As you can see here, it's going to be a quick one with our Samsung Galaxy Expert here. So let's start it. So this is one of your entry-level Samsung Galaxy smartphones or your mid-range Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And you can see from the back cover, it's made up of plastic, which is kind of a better material, I guess, for a smartphone, because when you drop it, it's not gonna break. And when you remove it, it's just gonna flex on you. You have your SIM card tray, dual SIM with an expandable storage. Amazing options. And on the side, we don't really need to worry about adhesives. We can just lift it up and let go of the clips under the cover. We're gonna detach the battery and then put it back on to restart the device. Unconventional approach, but it's gonna do it for now. We have our replacement display here. We're gonna connect it to the connectors, and since we don't have the power button, we can just short it out. Sometimes this approach works, sometimes it doesn't. Another way to turn on the device without the power button is to plug it in using the charger. As you can see here, you can see something, and the device is alive. We will start it up, see if it's working underneath it. It's gonna take a while. This is not a high-end Galaxy smartphone, so loading the apps, starting the device will take some time. You can also see some lag because it just started the phone just booted up, so some memory cache will be loaded. But that's enough testing for now. David is gonna remove the main board and the battery, and here's our replacement display. This is what the Galaxy A31 looks like when fully disassembled. We're gonna screw in the motherboard, install the battery, attach the antenna cables, the daughter board, and the back cover. I'm gonna put back the SIM card tray, and as I've told you, it's gonna be a quick one. David is not really faced with anything from Samsung at this point. He's done it all, and by the time he retires, he's gonna be, I think, a million smartphones fixed from Samsung alone. And this one is another successful repair. So we're gonna close it up, and I hope you enjoy this, guys. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below. If you have any comments, you can also leave it down below. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. You can like and subscribe to our channel. It will help us a lot. This is your before and after shot. So we'll see you again next time, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.